So this area, guys, is for the elephants and the carabao. So muna jud din siya ang Royal Carabao, guys. Royal Carabao, and this is the Baka.
Going down, no? There's a cafeteria.
Tai? So still a tai pa rin, guys. Ang tai nila is still tai. Where?
See, look at us.
Why, his name is Baka. Baka. Baka? Ay, Bayawak. So, we have also plus Bayawak in the rack. So, this area, guys, is the elephants. Elephants Fantasy. Oh, it's a big one. That's a big one there also. Oh, he wants to take some of the sagbot there, guys. What's his name? Ula? Is it Ula, ma?
Hey, where's the puma?
Wala sa puma. I cannot see. Ay, amot unsay puma, guys. Oy, gamay kayo di maklaro. Mal, guys, is real, guys. It's not pake. It's real. Why he lie down, man? So this area, guys, is the
You see the ball sack?
orangutan, guys. So another one, guys, the color red type.
Come here. One photo kan.
Here, guys, is the Pakapang. This area is so color white. So this area, guys, is for the giraffe. Giraffe and some of the ostrich and one zebra and some of the reindeer. So this area, guys, we got the giraffe. Woo! Kapoy mo kainin, guys, ay. Panglaay na, guys, kay kapoy man ay baktas. So there, guys, is our friend Rhino. Our friend Rhino. Oh my God, so big. So fat. Black Panther, guys. Sayang lang. Here is the, what's in here? Here is the maliliit na gagamba ang umakyat sa Here, guys, is like that, guys. There, natulog, guys. Tired. It's the tiger. This area, guys, we no more cheetah already. Cheetah has been closed already because napagod na sila, guys. No more already. Cheetah is what? Cheetah is sick. Sick, you need to go hospital. Sick. Yeah. Sakit, yeah. This area also, guys. kuan siya guys, kanang mura na siya kanang stagnant na guys siya. Mura na siya kuan. Ay, wala mo day tao dire. Ay, dili siya tao guys, kanang wala mo day hayop dire guys. Supposed to be is this one. But no more already. This area guys is a tunnel. Tunnel for the tiger. But I think no more ready. No more. Be, got or not? Where? No more? No more finish? Where? Ah, in the far away distance, guys. Cannot see one. So no need. No need to keep out there already. In the area, guys. Ha! Mangaon. Lion, guys. Lion tiger. And this is their swimming area. Hello, want to rain already. Ay, dear, ma, is the elephant just now?
Elephant.
So this one, guys, is a big buffalo.
Tapir.
Tapir.
Tapir. Hey.
Tapir. It bite people not.
Siti. Tapir. Siti.
Oh, angry ya.
Pero yung legs, guys, kaya mo siya baboy. Pero pangalan kay tapir. So this area, guys, is the deer area. Oh, this one is there. They say they can eat there. But the monyet is monyet, guys, is the deer. This area, guys, is the water for the river.
Down then go.
Almost want to rain already, and then they got area for the birdhouse, guys. So we have to master here, guys. This area, guys, we get the red bird, swan, the type of the bird. We call her red peacock. This is the nearest peacock ever. But we don't want to open, guys. Tell him to open. Tell him to kurok. Popo, come here, I got something. The one in the floor. Just now we want to go there. We want to go near to the bird. But the biawak say, hello.
No, don't sit down. Oh shit.
You want to pad it? So this one, guys, is still part of it. Still part of the tapir. So this one, guys, is another type of giraffe.
Venom.
So unique here is so long neck. So this one, guys. So welcome to our vlog, guys. Walang kamatayang zoo, guys. Basta na kapuya.